Hello,
Hello, may I speak to Tommy?
this is him.
My name is Nydia, and I'm calling you from here on a recorded line. How are you today?
I'm grading yourself.
Good, thank you for asking. I was calling you in reference to the 22K5. The reason I
Mm-hmm.
was calling was in regards to the maintenance services for the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Have you had a chance to do those recently or get them scheduled to come in?
No,
Not yet? All right.
no.
No? Okay, no problem. Would you like to go ahead and set an appointment now for when they would be due for your convenience to save some time since we're starting to
Do you
schedule
know?
ahead?
Do you know when it is that I need to do it?
Well, the thing is, we're getting a notice that it's been about 6 months since your last service. So you may
Yeah.
be approaching it by time, not necessarily by mileage, because it's every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first.
Oh, okay. Because I just got the car 6 months ago.
You got it 6 months ago, so that's
Yeah.
probably why.
Okay. Oh, okay. Then yeah, no, that's fine. Maybe, can we do it next week?
Sure, yeah. Let me pull this up here. How many miles are you at now, approximately?
If I'm not mistaken, I think it might be 7,000.
7,000. Okay. Let me pull this up.
Don't quote me on that. I probably need
No,
to
that's
check.
fine. No, we can always estimate. That's why I say approximately. If it's more or less, we can always get the accurate mileage when it's here. But at least this gives us an idea.
Mhm.
All right, let me see here real quick. Pull this up, and while this pulls up, are you still at? You said next week. Any particular day that you were looking into coming in that's best for you, works best for you?
I have a question. Am I dropping it off, waiting for it?
You can do either or. It's up to you.
Is there loaner vehicles available?
Those are a little bit harder to come by. Let me see how's the situation on loaners. None at the moment. We do have the shuttle service that takes you within 15 miles of the dealership.
How long would the service be? I'm sorry to cut you off.
Oh, no, you're fine. It shouldn't take that long just for regular services. But let me see what my first available is. Would you prefer a morning or an afternoon appointment?
I'm trying to think. Maybe afternoon.
Afternoon? Okay.
Is there one around like maybe 2?
Let me see. Any particular day?
Could we do maybe Thursday next week?
Thursday? Okay, let me see. That'll be Thursday the 21st. I have 2:30.
Is there anything? Actually, you know what? What about in the morning before that?
Before that, let me see. I have as early as 7:30, 8:30, 9:30.
Oh, and there's nothing like in between those.
I have 10:30, 11:30.
Okay, that's better.
12:30.
Oh, let's do 12:30.
Okay, so 12:30 Thursday the 21st for the services on your vehicle.
Yeah.
And would you be waiting then or dropping it off?
Well, waiting, because if you're saying it's not going to take too long, it's not a problem.
No, it shouldn't take long, no. So we're going to wait. And I also check for recalls on your vehicle. I know it's a brand new vehicle, but we like to check and keep up with it. There are none at the moment, okay?
Okay, great.
And is there anything else I can help you with today, sir?
No, that's all.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, then I'm going to send you the confirmation now. We will see you Thursday the 21st at 12:30 for your services, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for choosing.
Okay.
Bye-bye.